We got one. We get the money. We get the money. We get the moolah. We get the moolah. We get the peso. We get the peso. We get the netto. We get the netto. We get the skrilla. We get the skrilla. We hit the lotto. We hit the lotto. We get the bread.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is the today's actually my birthday, so gang, really shit in this bitch, but I really don't have nothing special planned for my birthday. I'm just gonna be vlogging all day today, you know. I might go and get my nails done, cause this nail came off and my camera finna die on me life up. But yeah, some real life shit happened last night. Like, I just woke up and it was like nigga, really? Like, I had to question, like, really? It was about that shit, right? But if I sound like horrible, I sound fucking horrible, y'all. I'm pretty sure that I got a fucking sinus infection. And I got a doctor's appointment today. I don't know if I'm going, but I need to though. I really do, because I rescheduled. But anyway, so why the fuck I almost went to jail last night? Like, why? Like, bruh, that shit was crazy. Like, I was just put on the certain circumstance. Like, I just put on like certain pressure that I just been letting some shit build up, and it's like a family member, a relative that's been in an abusive relationship, and it's like, you know, nigga ain't been saying shit, cause I don't really like to dwell on other people's business like that. That ain't none of my fucking business. But it's like, you know, how many times this shit gonna happen? Like, domestic violence is that's not nothing to play with. Like, people lose their life every day to that shit. So I just kind of like blew up, and by me letting everything pile up like that, I was finna go to jail, y'all. I was finna go to jail. Like, the police said that I walked up on him. I'm looking at this nigga like, nigga, ain't nobody walk up on you. Like, I'm in a full pledge. At this point, I'm in a full fucking pledge argument with the police. Like, I could have been in jail for my birthday. So, with that being said, I'm just not gonna get involved with the shit anymore, cause a bitch got goals, and I ain't trying to be locked up. You feel me? So, with that being said, good morning, y'all. How everybody doing? Libra got y'all in here. Just don't go to jail on your birthday. Don't go to jail. Like, try not to go to jail at all, but especially on your birthday, okay? So, I'm at my niece's house. This is the birthday turn. Well, this is pre-birthday turn up. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do something for like a night type thing, like night out. But right now, we are just chilling over here. We got the babies. We got Honey Bunny. So y'all have recently met Honey Bunny. I'm gonna do a pet tag on her, and then we got Hennessy. So yeah, I'll make sure to record a little bit more for y'all, but for right now I ain't doing shit. Birthday breakfast. What? So just cooked some biscuits, some turkey bacon. So birthday breakfast, y'all. Hey y'all, it's still my birthday. Okay, if y'all hear something loud on my TV, it's like real loud. When I be watching TV, I have to turn it up. Like, so I can hear it because I'm deaf in one ear. So like anytime y'all hear anything in the background, it's like 99.5% chance that my TV is gonna be like really loud on the highest volume setting. Okay, but anyways, I just wanted to show y'all my birthday gifts. Okay, but I haven't like did anything for real. For like I haven't gotten out of the house because I'm actually gonna be celebrating my birthday with a friend. So I'm gonna record that for you guys as well. So today was like basically the chill day. I'm just chilling before I go out and turn up. Okay, but these are my gifts. My best friend brought me over a crock pot and some body lotion and body spray. So my best friend brought me this. Excuse my kitchen, it's a little messy right now, but isn't that cute? Oh my goodness, that's really, really cute. Alright, you know what, I'm going to actually put my TV on mute until I'm finished talking to you guys. So I have already opened this gift. It's from my mom. I really I really needed a vacuum cleaner because my dog sheds like so much, like excessively she sheds, right? So she got me a vacuum cleaner. Ow. Ow. Look at that. So this is the little Bissell, and it doesn't have a bag. You can empty it out and wash it and stuff. And this is actually it. If you look really close, there's a lot of like lint and dust and stuff up in there. Like that's so crazy because I sweep pretty much almost every night. So you would think that it's not a lot, but hey, it's more to the eye, I guess. It's more than the eye could see. But that's a lot, right? So yeah, you guys, my hair is like wrapped up. I'm waiting on my bundles from Queen Label Hair Collection. And I am gonna slay it. I'm gonna slay it. And I'm gonna slay it. I'm so ready. It should be coming like either today or tomorrow, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, we close that up. But bad news is that I honestly think that I'm coming down with a sore throat, sinus infection. So I have to keep an eye on that. And I think that I have a doctor's appointment Thursday. Today is Tuesday, October the 15th. But yeah, I have a doctor's appointment and I have to like refill medications because I wasn't gonna go, honestly, because I'm kind of tired of seeing my doctor. But he's cool. He's cool people. I'm gonna go because I need some prescriptions refilled. But yeah, you guys, my birthday has been actually pretty nice. It's been pretty laid back, you know, things of that nature. But I'll see y'all later.